It beat the patrol! You beauty!
Yeah, you got a copy. Yeah, you got a copy, Patrick.
Kind of feel like we're doing a full drive 24/7 video right now.
Little bit, not a little bit. Bag on me, Jock. You're definitely Jock, I'm gonna Shawnee.
So today on Aussie Arvos, if you haven't realised already, me and Liam are in our cars and we're heading out to a little spot very close to home where we think we might be able to find some 4x4 tracks.
Yeah, this is, take note, this is within 5Ks. We're obviously not going to tell you where we live and where this is, but this is within 5Ks, so this is going to be as good as it gets in lockdown, I reckon.
This looks like it on the left here, probably, maybe.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Oh, there's a little track in here on our left.
Well, we've got a couple little puddles. Nothing too crazy, but should still be interesting.
A little bit of water in that puddle.
We've got a decent sized puddle. You can see that. So, I don't know how hard the base is going to be, but we're going to go into 4-wheel drive just to be safe, and might do the window up just in case too.
Oh no!
Actually a couple of ruts up here, so we'll see how we go.
Alright, let's see how the pad goes through the puddle. Suspension feeling, Liam, on these tracks?
Yeah, it's not too bad. I was just saying to the camera before, like it's definitely stiffer, but it seems to do the trick. It's pretty tight.
I know. And in we go.
Actually looks like someone's gone.
Ridden it.
Yeah, straddled it.
We just got up the track a little bit further. Got a bit of a steeper section here.
Yeah, it's nothing crazy ass and it's very dry, but it's better than what I expected to find.
Liam's gonna go first.
Yeah, I'll try crawl it first, and then if that doesn't work, I'll have to give it a bit of mumbo. But
yeah.
You sort of need decent clearance. Like that's someone diffing out. That's I'll probably diff out all my leaf hangers a little bit.
Give it a go and
yeah, it should be pretty easy.
see what happens. Just scrape it out, just scraping. You're so close to being out. Once you get to this point, you're up and you'll get out. I'm kind of glad he's kind of grading it for my Pajero when it comes up. Yeah, it's clear. So close. This will do the trick. You need a locker. You just need a locker.
Yeah, so as you can see, my diff and leaf hangers are dragging pretty bad. So that's my diff. These are my leaf hangers.
You just don't have the clearance, do you? They're just too
No,
deep.
I really need to winch, but there's no trees here to winch
Yeah.
off. I don't know how you'll go. You got smaller tyres than me and less tread. Like if
Very
the fronts
little
weren't
tread.
spinning.
Very little tread. It's hard to tell on camera, but there is quite a deep rut on the right, where the Pajero would bottom out.
Yeah,
on
your
that.
diff's gonna hang in there.
Yeah. You reckon the pad would make that?
You've got less clearance, worse LS. I mean, I don't know, it might. You haven't got leaf hangers at the front, so. So Paddy's gonna have a crack in the Pajero. See how he goes. No harm in trying, so we'll see what happens.
Alright, we're gonna give it a shot in the Pajero. Screw it. We just kind of don't go too crazy, because I don't have a winch, so I don't want to like fall off the track, or I just don't want to stuff it up, so we're just gonna go easy. 4-wheel drive. We're gonna put it in low range. Might hit in first or second, we'll see. I'm not even gonna do that here.
You're so close.
So close.
You're closer than me.
Could you just help me reverse out a little bit? It always helps having someone guide you back on these steeper hills.
Speed.
Round two. It beat the patrol! You beauty! It did! Yes, the Pajero!
Jesus Christ. Oh shit, I gotta get up and down.
You need to get up and now. If that bloody Pajero can do it. What a
Oh, it's blocked anyway.
Trees down on it. God damn it.
Oh, at least you can say you did it.
The little mighty Paj
I know.
made it up. Like, I think the clearance was okay. I think I have more clearance than you nearly.
Because you don't have the leaf hangers.
I got a bit excited in the cab. I think you need to get up it now, Liam. It's your turn. And if you
already try.
maybe I cleared the path that made it easier. We haven't aired down yet. That's at 40 psi as well. And these are the boldest tires you've ever seen in your life. Liam has to do it, otherwise he'll get shamed in the comments.
Turn around on that. Yeah, so I'm not gonna bother coming up at one because the track is blocked.
It's blocked. You
off by
can't go any
tree.
further anyway.
But I mean, I couldn't do it before. If I really sensed it, I probably could, but we just got to turn around and come back down. So
Victory for the Paj.
yeah, there's a few other tracks we'll go suss out.
Yeah, we'll go suss out some more tracks now.
Hand down.
That'll do it. Pity the rest of the track was closed, but we're gonna try and circle back around. There's another mountain climb. We're gonna try and hopefully take that to the top of this hill.
Good shit.
I'm very impressed that Pajero
Yeah.
did that. I had a small amount of faith. I'm like, it's got alright clearance.
Yeah,
You know, if you really, I think what you stuffed you up was those leaves and the diff.
I probably didn't. You came in a bit of speed the second time. I didn't.
Maybe,
really
yeah.
had it.
Oh, it's good to be back. It is good to be back. Alright, so now we're turning off onto the other hill climb.
I actually walked this one first just to see where it goes because I can't see up it.
The track just disappears.
Yeah, so we might go back to that first intersection. We'll go the other way. See what's there.
for sure. I wonder where this road goes. I'm just gonna have a sus. Oh, this is overgrown as. I don't think anyone's driven on this in a while.
I need to get longer mud
Oh,
guards.
you really did spin a bit of dirt around there.
I need to get longer mud guards. Bad.
Alright, so boys got me a travel buddy for my birthday, which is sick. So we're actually gonna put on some lunch. So we're just gonna put the timer on, roughly an hour. These are defrosted, so it shouldn't take too long, but we'll see how they go. Oh mate.
Hopefully they fit. Or take one track.
Yeah, I'll just put them both on the bottom.
Yeah. That'll work.
Bloody laughing, mate.
It is pretty versatile.
It is. It's a versatile unit. So got lunch in there. So we'll leave that go for an hour. We'll go head down to the aqueduct, check that out. Liam might throw a rod in.
Yeah, we'll
and
see.
yeah, we'll see how it goes.
I highly doubt there's going to be any fish in here, but I figured, you know, it's an aqueduct. It's just like any other creek, so why not give it a crack?
Damn, look at this. Whoa.
Oh, it's actually like full.
What are you using, Liam?
A little Daiwa crankbait. No, I don't know. I highly doubt there's fish in here, but it'd be rude not to flick a line, honestly.
Not a bad view. It's funny what you can find so close to home, which you didn't even know existed.
Yeah, cheers.
100%. That was probably 45 minutes.
I think me and Patrick have discovered, travel buddy, grouse, make sure you put your food as far back as possible. That's where the most insulation is. You can get, like, I think insulating panels for the door.
Yeah, I saw
to help.
Adam Reed did that and
Yeah,
it helped.
but up the back, if you stick it up the back, that's the hottest part and it heats up way quicker. That's why the sausage roll was hot first and this was still cold. So yeah, stick it up the back and
He'll be laughing.
it works a treat.
I'll get the Pajero to do it. You park here and I'll... Yeah, the Pajero we had to do it easy, mate. It's on fire today. Here we go. Bloody easy.
So yeah, for reasons that were pretty obvious, this was a pretty short session, as you can imagine. But yeah, this is sort of the best we could do in our local area, which is still, I was still pretty...
I was impressed.
I mean, that little hill,
yeah,
that's
awesome.
That would like...
You got to come back here and do it
Yeah,
again.
I mean, like it's not like you just walk up it. You got to
Nah,
give it
it's-
a bit of drive. So
Yeah.
it's not bad for 5k radius.
That's it,
4x4, I reckon.
Yeah, pretty good. So if you like this video, like four-wheel drive and stuff, give it a like. If you thought the Pajero did well, give it a like. If you want to support the channel, you can buy an Aussie Arvo sticker, aussiearvos.com.au, $5, free shipping Australia-wide. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll tell you what, I'm excited for lockdown to be over. I'm so keen to get out. Like, this today just got me just pumping, getting up that hill. So
Yeah. Let us know in the comments if you want to see me come back. And actually, I want to come back. I feel like I gave up a little too easy, but no, we'll come back.
Yeah, definitely
Definitely at some stage. So yeah.
All right, cheers for watching, guys, and have a good Arvo.
See you later.
Cheers.